Puppies have visitors today. And that is Nancy, who's getting Stalker. So she came to visit.
So did you find yours?
Well, I lost it again.
Whoa!
Have all those
Where is your puppy?
I don't know.
Where'd he go?
They really have long tails.
Oh, I think he's over there. He went in the bushes.
Another one coming here. Hey, where's the squeaker?
Oh, I think that's your boy on the Stalker. Well, he was on it.
There he is. There's your boy. He likes it.
Oh, somebody likes your toy. Who's that? Oh, there's your boy. That's Stalker. They're like in Toy Disneyland.
Oh my God! Puppy, they're all over there.
It's Phoebe.
And then you have all these toys, and he picks up a loose.
I know. Oh, let's see. I think you got little Shed over there. No, that's... Oh, I think that's Phoebe. You got Phoebe tugging on that toy. It's Phoebe. There's Stalker. Oh! Whoa, there's Crooked. Oh, who's this? Oh, Whistle! Whistle, Whistle! She likes to twirl backwards with it. Oh, you got a little Shed. That's a little Shed. Oh, Whistle! Whoa! Oh. Oh, now who's that? Monica. It's Monica. Whoa! That's... Whoop. There's little Creeper. And Chandler. Oh! Is this Ross? I think that's Ross. Hey, who's beating up who over there? We haven't seen a tarp yet, so now they're getting introduced to the tarp. It's Gather. A little Fetch. There's a toy that Auntie Nancy brought. Nancy is Stalker's new mom. Look at little Fetch. The toy's as big as you, Fetch. Oh, Crooked, that was a Prada move. There's Drive. Okay. Okay. Oh, they're everywhere. Look. Oh, there goes Fetch. Oh, let's see. Who's that now? That could be Rachel. That was Rachel. No. Yeah.
They like the grass.
Well, Phoebe.
And the trees.
That's Shed. Oh. I think that's, that could be, oh, that was Gather. Oh, she's going to grab the tug with the cowbell. Oh, she brought it to me. Drive. Barking at the... Oh! Stalker. He said, my toy. Well, now you got some with you. Rachel. Going puppy fishing. Oh, who'd I get? Gather and Rachel. Uh-oh, tanking up.
10 weeks.
Gather, whoa! What have you got? A leaf? Of all the toys.
Look at you carry that.
Uh-oh,
Oh, that's cute.
I still got 2 puppies hooked. Got one on there. Oh, you got Gather's attacking it. Keep going though. Just walk. Keep going. As you walk past them, some of them will start to get on. All right, I know you got Gather. Oh, you got Stalker. Just grab an end and walk. They'll. Gather's still on there. Here, Nancy, walk through the middle over here. Just watch where you're walking. Let's see how many you can hook. There's Chandler.
Got one.
Watch out. Now that it's there, leave that and go to the other end.
Puppy. Ready? Oh, got it.
They're just spread out everywhere. Good grief. Oh, Stalker, your puppy's on it. He was. Rachel. Gather. All right, Gail's got more.
She got my most.
Call them, Gail. They're still spread out. Oh!
Come on, everybody.
Yeah, the tough thing is trying to walk.
Yeah.
Come on, everybody.
Got a rider.
Oh, we got a few. Come through here, Gail. We need some stragglers. They need to hitch a ride.
You just want to play with leaves.
That whistle!
This is such a fun
Little whistle.
This is such a fun play with a leaf. You know the leaf.
Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody.
Come on, pup, pups. Watch out. Oh, Chandler.
Come on, everybody.
Go back the other way. I think they're getting their second wind.
Ooh, get it. Up, cover up. No dog fight.
Yeah, cover them up.
Cover them up.
Anyone who misbehaves gets covered up. There's Crooked at the end. Oh, let's see. Creeper and... No, that's not Creeper. Yes, it is Creeper. And Stalker. You don't want to
I
sleep.
liked it when they were all pulling it.
Yeah, they did well on their own.
Uh-oh, there goes Gather. Oh, whistle. Now let it go. See what they do. Whistle's pulling it. Oh, I think Crook wants to wear the collar.